What floor? 2. You have a good one.
You too.
It's going up.
Oh, it is going. Thank you.
You're welcome. We are on the 5th floor of the Hilton Garden in Martinsburg. Anyways, we're going to give you a tour of room 517. RFID locks. Got your door lock, you got your deadbolt. Your latch lock. Emergency evacuation plan and Martinsburg innkeeper laws. Or West Virginia innkeeper laws, excuse me. Got a closet. Hi. Check out the restroom. And here's a hand dryer. Got a Kohler toilet over here. 1 gallon per flush, obviously. Hi. Shower. Turn that off. Got 2 comfortable beds, nightstands on each side, your thermostat. That goes to an adjoining room. Over here you got a little kitchenette, mini kitchenette I guess you could call it. It's a Keurig coffee maker. A microwave. And here, your mini fridge, which is a Danbury designer. And tell we had some drinks in there. Your ice maker with a cup. Another nightstand with a Timex alarm clock. With an alarm clock back here. It's not with Timex, but it's Hilton. Basic hotel telephone. Have a nice little storage area with an Oddman. LG flat screen TV with remote. More storage. Here's my laptop. And here's your view out the window. So you can see how... No wonder people say West Virginia's got some natural beauty in it. they're definitely right. You got some rolling hills. And there's your look into the lobby. The atrium of the lobby. Memorabilia. An end table. And with that being said, hope you enjoyed my room tour. And that's it.